That's what it is, and that's really what it's in more.
The Bank of Canada's summer interest rate setting comes out later this morning, and considering the state of the economy, most analysts are saying we could see the central bank announce its second rate cut in 6 months. Here's the CBC's Peter Armstrong.
There has been a downturn.
Prime Minister Stephen Harper speaking this weekend. It's not exactly the news politicians like.
So, with this new savings plan, you'll save $1,500 a year and still manage your expenses. It's like you're financially new and improved.
Oh, that's good news. Oh, that's good news.
Yes, you could go to summer camp.
The financially new and improved you. Available in Scotiabank. You're richer than you think.
Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, Richmond, Hill, and Pickering. Or visit TATCOappliance.ca.
To the surprise of many across Europe, the International Monetary Fund is publicly voicing its concern about the emergency bailout package being offered to Greece. Nancy Karasava reports.
The days after a bailout deal seemed to have been sealed, the IMF made public a statement that fiercely critical of the bailout plan the European creditors offered to Greece, saying more debt relief has to be considered for this debt-crushed nation. The public critique highlights a growing split between the IMF and Greece's European creditors over how best to deal with the country's debt crisis. In his first interview since the agreement was sealed, Prime Minister Rutte said that he himself did not believe in the document that was stitched together over the weekend. But he called on rival lawmakers to back it in Parliament today as the best prospect of bringing about the recovery.
A Conservative MP from British Columbia is saying she misspoke when she accused Canada's spy agency of knowing about, but failing to stop, the Air India bombing. Here's the CBC's Terry Mutsky.
The LC-51 had been in place 30 years ago. Air India would never have happened.
Greg Blanche is a first-time MP who's attracted little notice on the backbenches. She made the talk about sisters at Harvard City Church in their writing, where she spoke on June 29th. Said sisters let the Air India bombing happen.
And that is because on sleepless nights, it was clear that there was a bomb on board this plane. But because of the strict laws that government departments have, they cannot share information.
In 30 years of trials and inquiries, there's been no evidence whatsoever that CSIS knew there was a bomb on that plane. Even if they had known, nothing at all prevented them from telling the RCMP.
That's BBC's Terry Molesky in Ottawa. In that same speech last month, Young also said that the Harvard government was working in the same vein as Jesus by passing Bill C-51.
So, with this new savings plan, you'll save $1,500 a year and still manage your expenses. It's like you're financially new and improved.
Sentenced to 4 years in prison.
Oh, that's good news.
Known as the bookkeeper of Dad! That's what it's
Go to summer camp.
Yes!
Yes, you could go to summer camp.
The financially new and improved you. Available at Scotiabank. You're richer than you think.
Top heading into day 5. I'm Kayla.
Second place with 60. Look at the Canadian medal rush will continue today. Our athletes are favored in a number of events in pool, on the water, and in gymnastics.